Today, Shianis is going to make a scarf from the material that was left over from last time video. From a previous project, Shianis created a new sweatshirt from 2 old sweatshirts. The scarf is made of little pieces of the fabric from the leftover sweatshirt, and the fabric pieces will be sewed together again. Pick one of the sleeves. Find a spot where we can cut 90 degrees perpendicularly from the edge. Repeat this step with another sleeve. Open the sleeve by cutting through where the seam is at. The goal here is trying to achieve flat surface fabric. Therefore, a cuff is also needed to be removed. Make the fabric flat by spreading on the table. Identify the narrow and the wide side of the fabric. Oh my god, can someone remove that little white piece out of the fabric, please? Use the narrow side. Find a corner and draw a line 90 degrees perpendicularly to the edge. Do this with another corner too. Measure 2.5 inches from the narrow side of the fabric and then draw the line. Repeat this step until you run out of the fabric, then cut it. Sew the right side and the wrong side together. In this case, 1/4 inch was used for the seam allowance. Cut the rest of the sweatshirt, then sew all the pieces together. Alright, we almost done. Oops, I apologize for my feet, guys. Roll up at the edge of the long side of the scarf, then sew it with zigzag pattern. Utilize the cuff that we have just cut off. Start with the folded part. Measure 1/2 inch away from it, then cut at this line. Fold at the 1/4 inch line down at both sides, then iron the fabric. Sew these pieces on both sides of the end of the scarf. Once upon a time, there was a girl who was raised in an Asian family. In the culture, food is never been wasted. Therefore, a girl was always forced by her mom to finish the food, even though she was full.
Fine, give me some more.
Back to now, that girl still listens to her mom, no matter what happens to the food. She will do anything. She would take any risks. Sometimes it might cost her injuries. Or even exceeds her physical capabilities. But she will never, ever waste any food. She also applies this idea to fashion design by creating zero waste project. And she won't stop doing it.
Follow me on Instagram.
Inset, offset, 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 offset.